Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Look what we got here. Brand new axle support housings. They just arrived here yesterday. Got to switch over the dowels and whatnot and get them set up. I don't know why he's got that covered, but anyways. Been a busy week. Just to bring you up to speed, it's Saturday morning, the 5th of May, and I was out 4 days of the week this week on service calls and doing some welding repair in different shops. So, been a long week. And the other thing is, it's finally hit the warm weather here, and so I did 5 ACs air conditioning on four different machines. One of them I had to replace a compressor, which was yesterday, and I was going to bring you along, but just thinking I'd bring you up to speed. The boys got this all apart, ready to go. The dip is laying over here. I think I showed you some of that the other day, and Monday we're going to start. Ooh, I see they got some new seals. What we discovered, I do believe, on the main bearings, a lot of times those get over greased, and what'll happen is the grease will actually push that seal out. The bearings are fine. We just put 2 new seals in them. Years ago you used to have to, they change how you grease them quite regularly, like changing their underwear. You know, take one fitting out on the opposite side instead of pushing the grease through, because that's just what it did. It would push that seal out. Anyhow. So, we got another project in the shop. It's going to look familiar to the one I did a couple of months ago. And this one was attempted repair already. Right here. You know, you saw that frame repair I did previous, and I'm going to do it again on this one. And this is a twin to that other machine. So, in other words, same vintage, pretty much same everything. And so I'll go back on my word. Does it happen often? No, but whatever. I can see right across here there is a crack. And so I got to take off this old repair. Kind of similar to what I did on the other one. And I'm going to put on my setup, and we're going to go for there. And the reason, it is nowhere near as let's just say as bad as the other one was, but I requested my guys to pull this out so we can give it a good look underneath and make sure that there isn't any surprises. And that's just me being thorough. So that's what we got going on in the shop. So Monday it's going to be pitter patter, let's get at her, and go from there. I got to get the fire blanket on top and get her all ready to go. I'll get them hoses out of the way, and it's going to be a pretty straightforward repair, for me anyways. Looks like there was a few pieces of pulp laying inside the inside the rear frame. I don't know how that crap gets in there, but it gets in there and you can't get it out, and when you got the opportunity, get it out. That's about it. Like I said, I was out of the shop most of the week doing service work on the road, and spent the day out of state even, and had the wife, she got the lawnmower out with that nice rain. We're going to be mowing grass here in the next week, I'm sure. She started cleaning the mower deck off, and you got to do that too. Everything needs maintenance. You know, maintenance. So yeah, just giving us a look around. And actually, the old timer, he's got his axle back up in there. Now he's waiting for a new drive shaft because they found that was kind of wobbled out. And he'll be going back to work this week. And that's cool. I mean, it is what it is. So that's what I know. All right, thanks for watching. Come back again when you can stay longer. Ha ha ha. Yeah. It's going to be almost 80 degrees out today on the 5th of May up here in Wisconsin. So that's going to be a super nice day. And I'm not working. I'm going to start today. I'm going to do a little. My other hobby is when I have time for it, I do a little industrial art. You know, I make stuff out of. I don't make stuff out of junk, but yeah, I make stuff out of thrown away stuff. So you might as well call it junk. So I got a project in my mind, deep inside, that has to come out. And hopefully someday I'll actually get it finished. Just a small project. I had an idea. I saw something in a junk bin the other day, and I asked the guy if I could have it. And he said, well, sure, take it. So I'm going to make something out of it, and it'll be cool. It's wood and metal. That's what I like. Both mediums. I got some curly hard maple, and you'll see. I'll bring you along for that when I get. I've been itching to do it all winter, and it's just been, my mood hasn't been right, and now the mood is right today. I got the door locked, keep people out. It is a Saturday after all, but sometimes they still find me. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to spend some time on my stuff. Do a little recharging of my own brain, because see that? My brains there's so much of them, they just push the hair right out. It's falling right out. So, all right, enough of my stupid BS. We'll talk to you later, and thanks for watching. Subscribe. I got almost up to 500 subscribers. Hey, so I'm halfway there to being able to be a monetized channel, and I'd appreciate you spreading the word like usual, and sharing and liking and all that other good stuff. It's you know, it's really nice. So all right, I got one more thing to add since the rest of the video here this morning. I got to thinking, I've been doing all this welding repair. I've been going to other shops and doing some welding repair, and I've been training, and you know, it just gets me thinking down the road, if anybody out there in the United States and would like to learn how to do this repair work from a guy like me, I can be bought. I mean, I can train here or there. What I'm talking about is guys in this service industry. I don't know. You know, you go to tech school, you learn how to weld on clean iron, you weld on good stuff, you learn on, you know, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. But if there's dealerships, service dealers, there's guys single in their trucks on their own. If you ever want to learn the art of repairing painted, greasy, you know, in the field stuff, then contact me through my email. It's in my personal description there, and I'd be more than willing to travel, do whatever I got to do to teach people. I'm going to charge for it. That's the way it works. But I just came up with that idea just the other day. Well, I've been thinking about it for a long time. Just wanted to bring it out there, get it out there. So that's about it. I was just curious. There's a lot of companies out there, and there's a lot of skill that's not there in this type of repair business. I see it in a lot of the local companies. They can get by on their service trucks, but I don't know. It's just a thought. So if anybody's interested, let me know. Companies, corporations, whatever. We'll go from there. All right. Have a great day. Okay? Have a great day.